Hi friends, welcome to another session of Bachelor's Kitchen. Bachelor's Kitchen is all about making simple and easy recipes without compromising on the taste. So today we are going to make another simple recipe, that is Kanda Poha. So let's get started with making Kanda Poha. So the ingredients we need to make Kanda Poha are half potato, half onion. I've taken 1 cup of poha, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, some turmeric and salt to taste. I've taken 4 chilies, half lemon, some peanuts, 8 curry leaves, and for garnishing I've taken chopped coriander and some fried onion. So to start with the recipe, we are going to soak the poha in water for some time. So I have soaked the poha for 4 minutes. You can see if the poha is ready when you press it with your finger and it should break. That means the poha is ready. So you strain it. By moving the poha like this, you ensure that the poha is fluffy when you are cooking it. Now let it rest till we get started on making the masala for the poha. So to start with the masala, in goes some oil in the pan. The first thing you will be doing is roasting the peanuts. Roast the peanuts nice till it is red and you get a nice fragrance of those peanuts. Remove the peanuts in a container. In goes some more oil. Add some mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Then in goes some cumin seeds. Let it fry till you get a nice aroma of those cumins. Add some chopped onions. Saute it nicely. Then you go on and add chilies to it and some curry leaves. Now add some turmeric and some salt. As I always say, adding salt helps speed the cooking process. In goes some potatoes. Saute it nicely. And now the masala is ready. In goes the poha. Now you have to mix the poha well till it is mixed nicely with all the masala. Now it is time to add peanuts. Mix it. Then you add some water on top of it. This is a process which I follow to cook the potatoes in there. Let it steam cook. Just stir a little. Garnish it with some chopped coriander and some fried onion. And your poha is ready. So Kanda Poha goes great with a cup of tea. So the next time when you are planning of inviting your friends over, make Kanda Poha and tea. I would like to hear your experiences in the comment section. Share this video with your friends. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you then.